Hey, good afternoon. Happy Monday. I'm here to drop some good news on one of my clients. I just came back from my business mailbox. As you can see, this is from the Superior Court of California, County of Placer. As you can see, I'm not going to show my client's name, but my business right there, Paralegal Nation. Boom. So we just got some good news in the mail for one of my clients. If you don't know me, my name is Yeshua Amani. I'm a certified paralegal. I have my own firm that specializes in expunging criminal records. So I want to talk about Placer County in specific. So Placer County, of course, it's a county in California. They just implemented new rules on their expungement and their a way to get your court records. They just added a new layer of security. They no longer give you information on court dates over the phone because it's confidential information. So what they do is they have you fill out this form right here, records and copy request form. They also have you send in a copy of your ID. I'm not going to put my client's information out there, but have you send a copy of your ID in order for you to get a copy of your expungement results. So how it works is, of course, you fill out the 3-page order for dismissal, 2-page petition for dismissal, and then the court fee waiver, and then a proof of civil service form, and you get your record expunged. They send you a court date saying that you have this court date on this date. Either you can appear or you don't have to appear. So I'm just giving you guys a little summary. But they don't send you the results as they should. Like most counties, they usually send you, if you got it expunged, if they want you to appear, if they deny or they granted you. But with Placer County, since the information is confidential, they have you send in a copy of your ID along with the money order of, I put like $1 to get a copy of your records. So as you can see here, this is the receipt that they give you, because I sent in $1, a money order, in order to get the expungement results on this page right here. I want to show my client's name and see if I can like hide it right here. Boom. Okay, so today I have an order for dismissal for one of my clients. His record just got expunged, so I'm going to go over this because I always give you guys the results of when it's been granted. But this time, on this particular case, he got denied one, then granted one. And I'm going to go over why the courts do that. So as you can see right here, it says, as you can see right here, it says the court denies the petition right here. And he denied it because of 17B or 17D. So when you fill out the petition for dismissal, it gives you an option to either try to get it expunged to a misdemeanor from a felony to a misdemeanor under 17D2, or an infraction from a misdemeanor to an infraction, or they expunge it completely. So he got denied on one of the petitions, meaning that he tried to get it expunged from a felony to a misdemeanor, but they denied that part. But they granted it to get expunged right here under Penal Code 1203.4, as you can see right here. They granted it right here. So he says right here, says the court's grants right there. So what he tried to do was he tried to go from a felony to a misdemeanor. They denied that part, but they went ahead and just expunged it completely without going from a felony to a misdemeanor and then misdemeanor to an expungement, or felony to a misdemeanor then misdemeanor to an infraction. They just cut the middleman out and said, hey, we're just going to just expunge it under Penal Code 1203.4. The reason why they expunge it under Penal Code 1203.4 instead of 17D is because of I have this experience with Placer County as well, that they really don't like dropping things from a felony to a misdemeanor. They just rather just expunge it completely, so it can be automatically off your record. Going from a felony to a misdemeanor, which is like a wobbler in some cases, or from a misdemeanor to an infraction, which is like another wobbler, it really doesn't do anything. It just like for example, you got caught shoplifting for $966 and they give you a wobbler as a misdemeanor. You still got the misdemeanor. It ain't going nowhere. You know what I mean? You just get you to a less of a charge. So with Placer County, what they did was, in this case, just as a recap, they denied it going from a felony to a misdemeanor, and then they just went ahead just eliminated the whole case in general. That's why it got granted right here under Penal Code 1203 instead of getting denied under 17D. So I just want to share that news with you. This is with Placer County. So for anybody that have cases in Placer County, be prepared to go through a little more of a hassle if you need help with getting your record expunged. Again, my name is Yeshua Amani. I help people expunge their record in the state of California and in the state of Georgia. I'm also in the process of studying another state right now, so I can say helping people in that state. Let's just like to do another recap. When you fill out your forms, and when we fill out your forms on your behalf to get your record expunged, we're going to go through a little more of a hassle because Placer County changed their rules and regulations when it comes to giving out information. They no longer give out information in regards to expungements over the phone. You got to fill out this form right here. Send them a $1 money order because you just need to know the status of your case, which is the deposition if you want to speak legalese. And then you got to send in a copy of your ID along with this form and a money order and say, hey, you just want the order for dismissal for your case, and they're going to send it to you within 1 to 2 weeks. So that's about it. Today's a good day. It's a holiday, and one of my clients got their record expunged.